Right of first refusal ROFR in land ownership in the Philippines. Question: what is the right of first refusal in land ownership? Answer: the right of first refusal ROFR in land ownership in the Philippines is a legal right that grants a specific party the first opportunity to purchase a property before it's offered to anyone else. This right is not automatic. It arises from a contractual agreement between the property owner and the party granting the ROFR. Here's a detailed explanation, definition, and nature. Preferential right. The ROFR is a preferential right, meaning it gives the holder the first chance to buy the property. It doesn't force the owner to sell, but it ensures the ROFR holder has priority if the owner decides to sell. 2. Legal basis. No specific codified provision. The Civil Code of the Philippines doesn't explicitly define the ROFR. However, it is recognized as part of contractual obligations under Articles 1306, 1319, and 11,591, judicial interpretation. Philippine jurisprudence has extensively developed the concept and enforceability of the ROFR. 3. Essential characteristics. Consensual nature. The ROFR arises solely from the agreement of the parties. Its validity depends on the consent of both parties and the existence of a valid contract. Not a sale. It's distinct from a contract of sale or an option contract. It doesn't obligate the grantor to sell. It only ensures the grantee has the first opportunity to purchase if the grantor decides to sell. Conditional nature. The right becomes exercisable only upon the fulfillment of the condition when the owner decides to sell the property. 4. Key elements. Grant of the ROFR. The grant must be clear, unequivocal, and in writing to avoid disputes regarding its existence or scope. It should specify the terms under which the right may be exercised. Triggering event. The right is triggered only when the owner decides to sell the property to a third party. It requires the owner to notify the holder of the ROFR of their intent to sell and the terms of the prospective sale. Exercise of the ROFR. The optionee must accept the terms offered by the owner within the prescribed period. Failure to exercise within the stipulated period allows the owner to sell the property to another party under the same terms. The jurisprudence on the ROFR. Landmark cases. Several landmark cases have clarified the nature and enforceability of the ROFR in the Philippines. These cases highlight the distinction between the ROFR and an option contract, the remedies available for breach of the ROFR, and the importance of clear terms and conditions via enforceability, writing requirement. While verbal agreements may suffice for general contracts, a ROFR, given its implications on property transactions, is best set in writing to ensure enforceability under Article 1403 Statute of Frauds. Specific performance or damages if the owner breaches the ROFR by selling to a third party without offering the property to the grantee.